Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for making late videos as I was little bit busy in other work, but this is the video which is asked by my viewers. So I am trying to give you the answer. Those my viewers who had given me the comment to make the videos on a specific topic. So I will start it with the videos asked by my viewers. Let us begin with first viewer's request, that is covalent bond in phosphorus trichloride, that is PCl3. He asked me that how does the covalent bond form in PCl3, that is phosphorus chloride. So this video is for you and for all my other viewers who is interested in chemistry. Covalent bond in phosphorus trichloride. See this video up till end. Let us begin. First of all, this PCl3 is, its name is phosphorus trichloride. So how do we give the name? In that content we need to remember that while giving the name, the first, that is phosphorus, the whole name we are talking, and then chloride, chlorine, we are adding ide suffix to make it the name, that is phosphorus chloride. But here you can see there are 3 chlorine, hence we are writing it phosphorus trichloride. This is its IUPAC name. Let us begin with the covalent bond. First of all, you can see there are 2 atoms, that is phosphorus and chlorine. So first of all, I'll write it. That is name of atom. First atom we have taken, that is phosphorus. I'll tell its atomic number, and then we'll write it electronic configuration. So first of all, I'll take the first atom, that is phosphorus. What is the atomic number of phosphorus? In periodic table, we'll calculate the atomic number of phosphorus. That is, periodic table begins with hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. So its atomic number is 15. I will write the electronic configuration. You know how to write the electronic configuration. In first orbit, there are 2 number of maximum electron can be accommodated. So that is 2. In second orbit, there are 8 number of maximum electrons can be accommodated. So it is 2. Second orbit, it is 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Now how many remaining? That is 5. So in outermost orbit, there are 5 number of electron. So the name of the atom, that is phosphorus, its symbol I have shown here. Name is phosphorus. I'll write it. Its symbol is P. Atomic number is 15 and its electronic configuration is 285. So how many electrons are there in its outermost orbit? That is 5. While we are showing electron dot structure to show the covalent bond, we have to show the number of electron in the outermost orbit in a form of dot around the symbol of the atom, that we know. Another element, or we can say that is atom, which we have taken is chlorine. Symbol of chlorine is Cl, we know. Atomic number, that is, will begin with 11, that is sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, and then chlorine. So its atomic number will be 17. Okay, its atomic number is 17. Again we'll write the electronic configuration. So electronic configuration of this chlorine will be, first orbit there are 2 number of electrons, second orbit there are 8 number of electron, and the third orbit there will be 7 number of electron. So this is 2, 8 and 7. But in this case, you can see this is what we have written, electronic configuration. But we are showing valence electron in the electron dot structure. So I will add it. Valence electron. What is the meaning of valence electron? Valence electron is such electrons which are take part in the bonding. So here the valence electron will remain same. It is 5. But here in this case you can see there are 7 number of electron in the outermost orbit, and it is easy to gain 1 electron to complete its octet by 8, or by making one covalent bond, it is such easy thing. So its valency will be 1. For phosphorus, the valence electrons are 5, and in chlorine it is 1. So whatever it is valence electron, or we are calling it as a valency. So that is 5 and this is 1. Now let us show the electron dot structure and we'll try to find out how does the covalent bond form. Electron dot structure. Let us see now. You know that electron dot structure while we are showing, first of all I will write it phosphorus. How many number of electrons are there? That is valence electrons are 5. I will show all this electron with the dot. So I will write it here 1, 2, that is 3, 4 and 5. I have shown all the 5 electrons around this symbol of the atom phosphorus. Now I will talk about chlorine. Chlorine has the valency 1. So to complete its octet, it has to complete the octet by one valence electron, but we need to show the outermost electron around the symbol. So there are 7 number of outermost electrons. I will show it here for the first chlorine. Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 7. Its valency is 1. It means it can gain the 1 electron and complete its octet, or it can make the one bonding, or we can say one covalent bond with any other atom. That is what we call as a valency. Valency means how many number of electron takes part in making ionic bond or covalent bond. Such electrons are called as the valency. If we are talking about this phosphorus, sorry I have written wrongly here, it is 5 number of electron in the outermost orbit, but its valency will be 3. It can complete its octet by 8 by 3 electrons. I am very sorry for that. By mistake I have written the same, but its valency is 3. So it can gain 3 electron or it can lose 5 electron. It can be done for the phosphorus, but normally its valency is 3. So here we can see that phosphorus, again I will take another chlorine atom. Chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As you know there are 7 electrons. So I have written all 7 for this chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For another one again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now how does the covalent bond form over here? We will see. First of all we will talk about the phosphorus. It has to complete by making 3 covalent bond, as we saw that its valency is 3. So it want to make the 3 covalent bonds. So where it is forming, you can see it makes one covalent bond over here, that is this one, another one that is here, and another one it is here. So it will complete its octet. I will draw this, in which you will see the 8 number of electrons around the phosphorus. It has already 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electron. It makes the bonding with 3 electron of chlorine, that is this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this circle or this structure has the 8 number of electrons completed. So it is phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 its own, 6, 7 and 8. It is completed. Now if you are talking about a chlorine, it wants 1 electron as its valence is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 its own and 1 with the phosphorus. It is this one. Similar way here you will see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 its own and 1 it will make the bonding with the phosphorus, that is this one. And in the similar way, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is for chlorine and 1 more is for 8. It's completed 8. So in all circles you can see 8 number of electrons. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This one, for this it is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is one more 8. Similar way 7 is of its own and one more is with the phosphorus 8. Here also it is 8. So it makes this bonding 1, 2 and 3. So that is how one phosphorus attached with the 3 chlorine, hence its formula is PCl3. We can write its structure. simple structure I have written it, then you can see it is phosphorus. It makes one bonding with the chlorine, another chlorine, and another chlorine. It has a specific bond structure, bond angle, and all that is in detail, but this is just I am showing you how does the covalent bond in forms in phosphorus trichloride. Why is it PCl3? You may have seen that is phosphorus is 1 but chlorine 1, 2 and 3, hence it makes the structure that is PCl3. I hope you have understand how does the covalent bond form in phosphorus trichloride. If you understand, then give the like so that it video becomes more viral, and you can share with your friends as well as your relatives, and click on the subscribe button to get the future notifications. Thank you so much.